being consistent, it's very, very important kasi sabihin na natin in the next 90 days gusto mo mag-create ng results, right? Sabihin natin in the next 90 days gusto mong kumita ng $3,000 in a month. Pero of course, hindi naman like agad-agad. Kung meron kang dream, meron kang plan, and kailangan mo mag-take ng actions, hindi naman agad-agad na makakapag-create ka ng $3,000 in a month within the next 90 days or within 1 month, right? So kung gusto mo kumita ng $3,000 per month within the next 90 days, kailangan mo ng tinatawag na consistency. So most of the people, they expect na to create that result when one day yes, one day no, one day may sakit, one day hindi. Pero if gusto mong makapag-create ng results na malaki within the next 90 days, depende sa dream mo, depende sa plan mo, depende sa kung gusto mong gawin, really important talaga yung consistency na every single day, you will show up. So Monday you will show up, Tuesday you will show up, Wednesday you will show up, Thursday you will show up. Every single day per day, mag-show up ka in order for you to create the results na gusto mo.